The Great Depression was a time of immense hardship and resourcefulness, where individuals had to rely on their skills and ingenuity to survive. Many of these skills, honed out of necessity, have not only stood the test of time, but have also become highly valuable in today's tight economy. Here are 25 Great Depression skills that can help you earn money and be more self-reliant. Carpentry and woodworking. Carpentry and woodworking pay well today due to the high demand for custom, high-quality furniture and home improvement projects. With the trend towards unique, bespoke items and sustainable materials, skilled carpenters can charge premium prices for their work. Homeowners frequently seek out custom cabinetry, flooring, and trim work, while the market for handcrafted wooden decor and furniture continues to grow. The income potential for carpentry and woodworking can vary widely depending on factors such as skill level, market demand, location, and the types of projects undertaken. Additionally, restoration projects for historical homes require specialized carpentry skills, further boosting the earning potential in this field. However, skilled carpenters and woodworkers often command high hourly rates or project fees, especially for custom and high-quality work. Sewing and tailoring. Sewing and tailoring pay well today due to the ongoing demand for personalized, well-fitted clothing and professional alterations. With the growing trend towards unique, custom-made fashion and sustainable practices, skilled tailors can command higher prices. Clients frequently seek out tailored garments for special occasions and everyday wear, while the need for clothing repairs and adjustments remains steady. Additionally, niche markets like vintage clothing restoration and upcycling offer further earning potential. Talented tailors and seamstresses can earn substantial incomes, especially when providing high-quality custom services. Canning and preservation. Canning and food preservation were essential during the Great Depression, helping families store food when money was tight. Today, these skills are popular again because people want to be more self-sufficient and eat healthier. By preserving food at home, people can save money and avoid chemicals found in store-bought items. Homemade preserves also taste better, and many people are willing to pay more for these high-quality products. Teaching canning through workshops and online classes is also a growing business. Overall, the benefits of saving money, eating healthier, and being eco-friendly make canning and food preservation valuable and profitable skills today. Soap making. Soap making involves creating soap by mixing fats or oils with lye. During the Great Depression, many families made their own soap to save money. They use kitchen fats and homemade lye from wood ashes. Today, there's a high demand for handmade, organic soaps. Consumers prefer natural products without chemicals. Unique and artisanal soaps sell well at farmers markets and online. Workshops and classes on soap making are also popular, offering additional income opportunities. Baking and cooking. Baking and cooking skills were vital during the Great Depression, as families needed to stretch their food supplies. Homemade bread and meals from scratch were common. Today, catering services and specialty baked goods are highly profitable. People pay for custom cakes, pastries, and home-cooked meals for events. Baking and cooking classes also attract many learners. These skills offer both direct sales opportunities and educational income streams. Gardening and landscaping. Gardening and landscaping involve cultivating plants and designing outdoor spaces. In the Great Depression, many families relied on victory gardens to grow their own food, saving money and ensuring a steady supply of produce. Today, there is high demand for beautiful, sustainable green spaces. Homeowners and businesses seek professional garden design and maintenance, making these skills highly valuable. With a focus on homegrown produce and eco-friendly living, Skilled gardeners and landscapers can command premium prices, leading to a profitable career. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry includes breeding and raising livestock for meat, dairy, and eggs. Schwarz. During the Great Depression, raising animals was essential for providing families with crucial food sources and some income. Nowadays, the demand for locally and ethically raised products is increasing. Consumers are willing to pay more for organic, sustainably farmed meat and dairy. This preference allows small-scale farmers to charge higher prices, making animal husbandry a lucrative field. Additionally, offering courses on animal care and farming techniques can further enhance income potential. Metalworking and blacksmithing. Metalworking and blacksmithing shape and craft metal objects. During the Great Depression, these skills were needed to make and fix tools and household items. Now, custom metalwork is highly valued for home decor and tools. The market for handmade metal pieces is growing. Offering custom metalwork services and creating unique items can earn high prices. Candle making. Candle making creates candles from wax. During the Great Depression, candles were a cheap way to provide light. Today, handmade candles with unique scents and designs are popular. People are willing to pay more for high-quality, artisanal candles. Selling candles at markets and online and offering candle-making classes can be very profitable. The growing interest in home decor and wellness boosts the market for unique candles. Leatherworking. During the Great Depression, people had to be resourceful and self-sufficient. Leatherworking was a valuable skill because it allowed individuals to repair and create durable goods like shoes, belts, and bags. Instead of buying new items, people would often mend their existing leather goods or create new ones from scrap materials. Today, there is a high demand for custom leather goods due to their durability, craftsmanship, and unique appeal. Consumers are increasingly interested in handmade, high-quality products rather than mass-produced items. Additionally, there is a growing trend towards sustainable and durable fashion, which further increases the value of well-made leather goods. To learn leatherworking, start with online tutorials and courses. Purchase a beginner's kit. Practice regularly and join leatherworking communities for guidance and support. Upholstery. Upholstery involves covering furniture with fabric or leather and padding, as well as repairing and restoring old furniture, which was crucial during the Great Depression to extend furniture life. Today, upholsterers are in demand for custom furniture projects, antique restoration, and refurbishing worn-out furniture, driven by a focus on sustainability and quality. They can earn a substantial income, particularly with intricate, high-quality work and personalized design services. You can learn upholstery through vocational training programs, apprenticeships, online courses, and hands-on practice with furniture projects. Fishing and aquaculture. During the Great Depression, fishing was a vital source of food for many families. With money tight, people turned to rivers, lakes, and the ocean to catch fish, providing a sustainable and cost-effective food source. Fishing not only fed families, but also offered a way to earn income through selling surplus catches. Why is fishing and aquaculture important today? Sustainable and locally sourced fish are in high demand due to growing environmental concerns and a preference for fresh, local food. To get started in fishing, invest in some basic gear and learn from local fishermen or through online resources. Have you ever considered aquaculture? It involves farming fish and other aquatic organisms, a practice that can be both profitable and environmentally friendly. Butchering. Butchering was an essential skill during the Great Depression, especially for those who raised their own livestock. By butchering animals at home, families could ensure they used every part of the animal, minimizing waste and maximizing their food supply. This skill was often passed down through generations, with each family having its own techniques and recipes. Today, custom butchering services are sought after, particularly by people who raise their own livestock or hunt. These services provide high-quality, locally sourced meat that consumers trust and prefer. Painting and home decoration. Painting and home decoration were essential skills during the Great Depression, as many couldn't afford professional services and had to do the work themselves. Nowadays, these skills are in high demand as homeowners seek personalized and unique interior designs. Talented painters can offer services ranging from murals to custom wall finishes, commanding high rates for their specialized expertise. To develop these skills, consider enrolling in art and design courses. Practice different painting techniques and study color theory. Building a portfolio of your work can help attract clients. Networking with interior designers and joining professional organizations can also boost your career. Beekeeping and honey production. During the Great Depression, beekeeping and honey production was a way to ensure a supply of honey and beeswax, essential for home cooking and preserving. Today, beekeeping and honey production are popular for their health benefits and ecological importance. Beekeepers can sell honey and other bee-related products, with a growing market for hive rentals and educational workshops. To get started, take a beekeeping course from a local agricultural extension office or community college. Purchase or build your own hives and acquire bees from reputable suppliers. Regularly attend beekeeping meetings and forums to stay informed about best practices and new techniques. Small engine repair. In the 1930s, small engine repair kept essential machinery running from farm equipment to household tools. This practical skill remains valuable today, especially in rural and suburban areas. Repair technicians can establish a profitable business, offering maintenance services for lawnmowers, outboard motors, and other small engines, saving customers the cost of replacement. Begin by studying small engine mechanics through technical schools or online courses. Practice by working on various engines and building a toolkit. Offering repair services to friends and neighbors can help build a client base. Certification from recognized institutions can enhance credibility and attract more business. Wood carving and sculpting. Wood carving and sculpting were popular during the Great Depression as inexpensive ways to create decorative and functional items. Today, this skill blends artistry with craftsmanship, allowing artisans to create unique pieces that can be sold at a premium. Custom commissions, restoration work, and teaching carving classes also provide additional income streams. Learn wood carving through classes at art schools or community centers. Start with simple projects using basic tools and gradually advance to more intricate designs. Practicing regularly and experimenting with different styles can improve your skills. Showcasing your work at art fairs and online can attract clients and commissions. Plumbing. Plumbing involves the installation, repair, and maintenance of water, gas, and waste systems in homes and buildings. This skill was invaluable during the Great Depression due to the scarcity of resources. Today, plumbers are essential for maintaining home and business infrastructure, handling tasks from fixing leaks to installing new systems. They earn a substantial income, especially those with specialized skills in areas like gas lines and advanced water systems, due to the critical nature of their work and technical expertise required. Electrical work. Electrical work encompasses installing, maintaining, and repairing electrical systems, including wiring, circuit boards, and lighting. During the Great Depression, electrical repair skills were valuable for keeping homes and businesses functional. Nowadays, electricians are crucial for ensuring safe and efficient electrical systems in increasingly technology-reliant environments. They command high wages, particularly those with advanced certifications and specialization in fields like industrial electrical work, renewable energy systems, or smart home installations. To learn electrical work, you can enroll in technical schools, participate in apprenticeships, obtain certifications from recognized institutions, and gain practical experience under licensed electricians. Roofing. Roofing involves constructing, repairing, and maintaining roofs, essential during the Great Depression to protect homes affordably. Today, roofers are vital for new construction projects and maintaining existing buildings, ensuring roofs are leak-free and structurally sound. Skilled roofers, especially those proficient with specialized materials or techniques, can earn a good income. Consistent demand exists for roofers due to the need for regular roof maintenance and replacement to prevent significant property damage. Aspiring roofers can learn the trade through apprenticeships, vocational training programs, online tutorials, and hands-on experience with established roofing companies. Chimney sweeping. Chimney sweeping, the process of cleaning chimneys to remove soot and creosote buildup, was crucial during the Great Depression for households using wood or coal heating. Today, chimney sweeps remain in demand, particularly in areas with older homes and those using fireplaces and wood stoves. Regular chimney maintenance is vital for fire prevention and efficiency. Chimney sweeps can earn a respectable income, especially when offering additional services such as chimney repair, inspection, and installation of chimney liners or caps, ensuring home safety and efficiency. Tree pruning and arboriculture. Tree pruning and arboriculture involve the care and maintenance of trees, including trimming, diagnosing tree health issues, and ensuring safety. During the Great Depression, maintaining healthy trees was crucial for both aesthetic and practical purposes. Today, arborists are in demand for residential and commercial tree care, ensuring the safety and health of trees in urban and suburban areas. Home cleaning and organization. Home cleaning and organization involve maintaining cleanliness and order in homes and offices, a valuable skill during the Great Depression, when families needed to maximize their living spaces efficiently. Today, professional cleaners and organizers are in demand for residential and commercial services, helping clients maintain tidy and functional spaces. They can earn a good income, particularly those who offer specialized services such as deep cleaning, decluttering, and organizational systems. Welding. Welding involves joining metal parts together using heat and pressure, a crucial skill during the Great Depression for repairing and constructing machinery and structures. Today, welders are in high demand in various industries, including construction, automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. Skilled welders can earn a substantial income, especially those with certifications and expertise in specialized welding techniques. Aspiring welders can learn through vocational schools, certification programs, apprenticeships, and hands-on experience in industrial settings. Glass blowing. Glass blowing involves shaping molten glass into various objects, a skill that was valued during the Great Depression for creating both functional and decorative items. Today, glass blowers are in demand for their ability to create unique art pieces, custom glassware, and decorative items for homes and businesses. Skilled glass blowers can earn a good income by selling their creations in galleries, online, and at craft fairs. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.